Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize volume panel in UNIHERTZ Tank Free. First, open Play Store, and now you can download volume styles. Press on search and press on install. Now you can open the app and choose any style you'd like. I will choose the wave one and press start to proceed. Now I have to give a permission for the app, so I'll click on it. Now click on volume styles and press on volume styles. Allow. Now yes, I agree. And how you can see, my volume style has changed to wave. And I can use it however I like. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.